what's up guys? Muriel from the Sunshine Family, moving to Costa Rica. I got this question so many times. Why Costa Rica, Muriel? Why not India? Why not Panama? Why not Belize? Why not Mexico? What made you decide to be moving to Costa Rica and not somewhere else? That is what I will be sharing with you. And behind me you see Dirk and one of my 3 puppies, Joey. I'm walking over the beach between Malpais and Santa Teresa at the peninsula de Nicoya. And from the bottom of my heart, I will be telling you what helped us to make the decision to leave everything behind back in the Netherlands and move to Costa Rica with our 2 children. And that's basically how life has been for almost 4 years. So, before I'm gonna dive right in, if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, welcome. If you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, then you receive a notification every time I upload a new video or when I go live, and my videos are always Costa Rica related. Because my channel is all about everything I learn myself. And with that, I want to help anyone out there, that may include you, to learn more about living in Costa Rica, vacationing in Costa Rica, being a Costa Rica expat, and travel through Costa Rica. I don't know everything, but I do know that I've learned a couple of things. So here I am. And with subscribing and hitting the bell icon, you also support my channel. And I'm really grateful for that. Okay, one of the reasons that helped me decide to move to Costa Rica, I will show you right now. So, you saw a horse freely walking over the beach, right? That's what I saw as well. 5 years ago, it was a little bit different. It was a couple of horses galloping over the same beach, but we were sitting on a bench like that, where you see people sitting, and I was like, oh my God, you know, these horses look really free. And I am a person who loves beaches. I come from the Netherlands. I moved to Costa Rica with my 2 kids. I come from The Hague. That's a city town in the Netherlands with a lot of beaches. The whole Netherlands has a coastline of beaches. So I have a love for beaches. So what is so cool about Costa Rica? It has so many beaches. So one of the reasons, basically reason number 1, is that there are so many different types of beaches to explore. And as you can see on my channel, you see me probably walking a lot over the beach with my dogs, with my kids, with my husband. I have been on horses all over the beach, and yeah, this just makes my heart sing. But of course there's many other countries that I've traveled through the many years that I traveled with and without Dirk, my husband. And yeah, I have been in India for 3-4 months, and there's cows on the beach there. So what is the difference? Why don't I want to live in India, but I want to live in Costa Rica? Well, one of the things is that the Latin American culture here in Costa Rica really attracts me. I love the Latin music, I love the Latin culture, I love the Spanish language. It just makes my heart jump. And this is very personal. This is also like my reasons why moving to Costa Rica, not somewhere else. Why not move to India? Well, India is almost like different. It is a different continent, of course, but the culture, the Indian culture, doesn't attract me. It's an awesome, impressive country to spend a lot of time, but I never had the feeling, yay, I want to live here. Not at all. So sometimes it's just a matter of letting your heart speak. And I did find that in Costa Rica. I did have that feeling of, I think I could could live here. Let's check it out more further. So the beaches, yeah, I've been in Goa for 2 months. I've been traveling to India. I've been in other places with beaches, also in Cambodia. But no, I like it as to travel through or to vacation, but not to live there. So it also has to do with the Latin American culture. But there's more countries in Latin America, right? Panama, Nicaragua, Belize. But here's the thing. I did a tryout vacation with my family, and I talked with a lot of people who've been in those countries, who lived in those countries. And I did some due diligence about Costa Rica. In Costa Rica, take it from me, take my word for it, is being talked about like the country with the least corruption. So just look behind me, what I see. There's a horse tour behind me. There's a father and a son behind me surfing. Come on, this just literally is a perfect conclusion of my video. You can do so much here. Horse tours, play in the beach, surf in the ocean. There's championships here. The best surfers of the whole world are coming here to surf. There's beach places. You can walk with your dogs. I'm not a surfer. Hola! You're happy people. Happy vacationing people. Perhaps they're the future people who will be moving to Costa Rica. This makes my heart sing. I have the feeling, especially if you watch my other videos about how I'm exploring Costa Rica. I've been to Orossi, to the Caribbean side. Costa Rica has more than 10 microclimates. So it's not just beaches. If you're done with the beach somehow, or done with the place that you're at, take a vacation in Costa Rica and go to the mountains. Go hiking in Monteverde or Rossi, or go rafting in a river. You know, there is so much possible. There is a father with naked babies on the beach. Like, I don't know if you see them. I'm very discreet. I'm not just putting other people's kids on my videos, but Costa Rica is so friendly. That's another reason. So reason 2 is there's so many microclimates. There's so many choices. You can be in the cold. You like the cold? Go live in the mountains. Monteverde is very mountain rich, has a mountain climate. It's cold at night. You need a lot of blankets there. Where I live is one of the hottest areas of Costa Rica. But you can also go to the Caribbean side where the atmosphere is more laid back. Is really more like, you know, I've been to Cuba. I loved Cuba. It's really more into Jamaica, Cuba, laid backness. So there's so many different climates here. So there's a choice for so many types of people. And that is another reason why moving to Costa Rica and not somewhere else. I love to have my home here, and from there I explore. But again, I don't know if you have figured that out. I have a business online. I'm a digital marketer. I'm a digital nomad. I can work from anywhere as long as I have an internet connection. I have a laptop, a smartphone. I'm shooting this video with a smartphone right now. And that makes my heart sing as well. That I have the freedom to work wherever I want to work, to earn whatever I want to earn, because I don't have a boss. And Costa Rica is great. That's another reason why living in Costa Rica is that there's a lot of places with excellent internet. Excellent internet. Fiber optic. So the high tide is coming up. A lot of things are happening here. Hey Joey! Joey! So there's my Joey. There's my Dirk. So it's all over. A couple of practical reasons. Microclimates, the least corrupt of all the other Latin American countries. Oh, good internet, so it's very digital nomad friendly. That's perfect for my online business. By the way, if you want to know what it is that I do for a living and how I build my online business, just go to the description below my video. Click one of my links. Learn more. You want to work with me directly, that's You can see if you can qualify for my coaching program, or just click on one of the links below my video for a starter's course. You just test drive if my business model works for you. So there's my puppy behind me. So much stuff happening here. But anyways, there is more. I think I mentioned now more than 4 reasons. Let me think about more reasons. So the internet is awesome. A lot of microclimates. Oh yes, it's very traveler, female single traveler, and expat friendly. I assure you that as a traveler, there is so much cool stuff to experience. Also for parents with young kids, but also just to move here as a foreigner, as an expat, as someone who just wants to stick here for a while. You can open a bank account, you can buy property, you can buy a motorbike, you can buy a car, you can buy land. It's, by the way, everything that we have done as well. And you can start a business, you know. You can work remote, you can apply for digital nomad visa. There's so many opportunities here. And Costa Ricans are very open for foreigners. I love the Tico culture. I have Tico friends, Tika and Tico friends. I am so glad that I decided to move to Costa Rica, and I hope that I inspire you with my video. So at this beautiful, beautiful beach day in Santa Teresa, Costa Rica, I am looking forward to reading your reply below. Like, what's your experience? Why did you watch my video to the end? What was your biggest takeaway? If you have any questions, let me know below. I'm always happy to hear from you. And with that being said, moving to Costa Rica has changed my life in an unlimited amount of times for the better. Do you agree, Dirk, that moving to Costa Rica was such a good step? What?
Of course. Why would you be stuck somewhere where you don't like it?
We love it in Costa Rica. Probably you hear the ocean way louder than Dirk, but we love it here. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. And check out the description below to learn more about my online business coaching programs and to see if that resonates with you. Okay? Pura vida. Ciao.